Ganda. Ganda, Ro. Ay. Ay, sweet. Go.
Mama, mama.
Be gentleman naman, me. Oh, shit.
Yes, ang gwapo naman. Maganda pa sa ano.
Behold, beware, and be mesmerized, because the baby is now a lady. My name is Ash Fajardo, 29 years old, and I am very proud to represent Residential Pond Tree. And I always believe in the saying that if God leave you in the middle of the cliff, don't you worry, but instead, just trust Him fully. Because there are only two things that might happen. It's either He will catch you if you fall, or He will teach you how to fly. Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Ash Fajardo. Good evening, everyone, and enjoy the show. Thank you.
2026.
Good evening, everyone. So my advocacy focuses on HIV awareness. Seeing my friends being infected with a virus and experiencing taking care of them firsthand, it triggers me to be of someone in serve for the community. I actually joined Avis Community in Bacoor. It's an organization that gives awareness and education, free seminar for HIV awareness within Cavite. And that brought me so much heart in wanting to preserve life to the fullest extent of it. So ladies and gentlemen, I wanted to encourage everyone to spread the love and not the virus. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Let's welcome OSM.
Let's give it a close down.
Candidate number 4, residential. And last but not least, candidate number 6. Our final 3 contestants will now face one last question. And of course, they will each have 45 seconds to deliver their answers. Candidate number 2, are you ready? Pick one. Here's your question. What spark do you believe you bring into the lives of the people around you? I repeat, what spark do you believe you bring into the lives of the people around you?
Thank you for that wonderful question. So I believe that spark that I bring to the people around me is the smiles in their faces, because I have my friend. She is in heartbroken. So every time that we hang out, I made him happy so that she would heal to her traumas and her problems. And I do it also to the people, to Team Ursa, Team J, to OSM family. I bring joy all of them. Thank you.
Wow. Contestant number 2. Here's your question. How can events like Miss Spark Universe will help strengthen camaraderie and positivity within EDF? Again, how can events like Miss Spark Universe help strengthen camaraderie and positivity within EDF?
Miss Spark Universe brings us together tonight. And that fact alone is something that we should consider, that regardless of our LOB, even though our LOBs are different with one another, an event like this gives us the time to bond with each other. Because regardless if we are different LOBs, we are one Spark family. We love each other, and we will do our best to continue this business for us to have job security, of course, at the same time. And pageants like this gives us the opportunity to prove ourselves. that regardless of our gender preference, we will still prove to the world that we will still exist, whether they like it or not. And we will prove to them that we, in this modern time, will make a stand as a human being. Thank you so much.
If I would have chosen to represent the light of EDF, how would you inspire others to shine even during difficult times? And nowadays, it is ours to respond to everyone's camaraderie, that showing your humanity regardless of your gender, equality, race, and status in life. So the most important is nowadays to give and help one another, to show the best and brings out the most part of you, regardless of everything, if either we're poor or you came from the high society. Thank you.
The winners for the Miss Spark Universe, the first runner-up and second runner-up.
Yes, welcome! The second, Princess 49! Oh my God! Kenneth Lover! Number 1!
Charles!
Charles Hello!
Congratulations, Charles! That's from Team Iron.
it's your big day. Candles light up the party way. Smiles are shining, the crowd's alive. We're here for you, it's your time to thrive.